Hello, everyone, and welcome to this onboarding series. And thank you for showing interest in our DevOps Engineering program, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and DevSecOps programs. This video is meant to get you ready for when the program starts. So these are the setups that you should have on your system before we start the program. My name is Prof. Prince, and I am going to be your lead guide here at LionTech Solutions Canada, and it's a privilege to have you join us. And my prayer is that you will find these videos very helpful and that you will like and share the videos as well. Thank you so much, and God bless you. So let's get started. So I'm going to take out my video. Okay. So in this series, what we want to do is to carry out Git Bash installation and setup, and then Visual Studio's code, and then we are going to create our GitHub account. Okay. Very easy. Nothing super complicated about this, just compared to creating your Facebook account and all of that. But let's see how this goes. So I am going to leave the links to the download links in the description of the videos. So if you just check at the description of this video on YouTube, you're going to see the download links. So first, you do need a Gmail account. So make sure you are logged into Gmail, just like this. Okay. So yeah. So that's the first thing, okay? Log into Gmail. And then there you go. Open a new tab. And so the first thing we want to do for now is to install what? Git Bash. And the assumption is that we are all on Windows. So we are going to Git Bash for Windows. Click on that. So you should see the, this is the website for Git Bash. So we can open it now in a new tab. This is our first installation. So now, depending on your operating systems, right? If you are Windows, you go for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, okay, and all of that. So I am Windows C. You can click here to download 2.52. So we can click here. See that? And now depending on, so this is the first download link that we are going to put in. Okay, so we are going to put this in the, okay, so we have Git Bash. So you're going to see this link in the downloads, in the video description. Now we have that. So you click here, and if you want, we can show in folder, or we can just open, right? There you go. Open that. You're going to see a prompt. Say yes. And now, so this is what you're going to see, right? So just click next. Okay, next. And don't touch anything here. Just go next. So Git Bash is what we are going to use to learn versions control. So it's pretty much a very, very big tool in the toolbox of DevOps engineers. This is actually our foundation. Okay. So click next again, and there you go, and then next. And you see, just go next again. Just go next. Install. So you can see this is going to install again, depending on the speed of your your laptop, of your internet, right? How fast it downloads will depend on the speed of your internet connection. So once the installation runs, okay, we get to this point and we can just launch. Okay, so now we can just normal launch Git Bash like that, and there you go, right? Just launch Git Bash. And that's it. So now you will see this is Git Bash. Okay, once you get here, you have successfully installed Git Bash. Okay, so now you can, yeah, there you go, right? So it was just loading. So this is Git Bash and it's been successfully installed. Great. See you next video.